Nick, I'm not ready! Nick! Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be testing more TikTok hacks slash experiments slash recipes slash challenges, just a little bit of everything. We're going to be trying them all out. I'm so excited. Also, these clips are filmed in different places around the house on different days, so my hair may change, my makeup may change, my clothes may change, the location may change, but we're just going to be testing lots of hacks and I'm really excited. So without further ado, let's go. Okay, so this hack I actually filmed a few days ago, so the footage you're about to see is a whole process that I went through the other day, and it is the Bleaching Jeans life hack, which I was so excited to test, so excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert that footage here, and then we'll try on the jeans. Okay, we're gonna try and bleach some jeans. Now, excuse my outfit, but these are some kind of doesn't matter clothes, so this is what I'm wearing. I also have a mask, and I have gloves. I'm gonna look ridiculous, but we're gonna try and bleach jeans. So it's very windy out here. I've put my wind mic on, but we'll see how it goes. So these are the jeans that I'm gonna use. So the first thing we're gonna do is prep the jeans. We're gonna separate them off with a bit of tape and then bleach. Okay. We're having a bit of a nightmare. I possibly chose the windiest day to do this on. Like, it's so windy. I don't know what's happening. They have been here now for at least 10 minutes. And nothing seems to be happening. The bleach is dyeing the cardboard, but not the jeans. I'm so sad. Okay, it looks like they're slightly lighter now. They've been out there for 25 minutes, I think. I moved it into the sun and it's been there for about an hour. Finally, it's starting to look kind of white. This is hours later. They look kind of yellow, if I'm honest. Okay, so this is how they're looking, but I've just found out they are basically see-through. But I'm going to chuck these in the washing machine and we'll see how they come out. I'm a little bit nervous for this. Here we go. That doesn't look like an appropriate crotch. Okay, it is time to try on the jeans. So they are now fully dry. This is what they look like. I don't know what these little specks of brown are. If anyone knows, please let me know. They didn't have that on when they were being bleached, and then after the washing machine they did. So maybe the washing machine? But what are they and how do I get them out? And then also, the crotch region looks very interesting. It looks... Oh my gosh, there's a little hole here. Oh no. There is a teeny little hole in the... I've just not painted this fingernail. Also, how many tangents did I just go on? Like a lot. But the rest of this seam seems perfect. And then the front, just this has happened. And it just looks a little interesting. Other than that, the colour lifted really nicely. I think I do want to make this pocket white as well, because when they were wet, this white was completely see-through. Right now, it doesn't look too see-through at all, but I just want to try them on just to make sure. Oh my gosh. Okay, what are your thoughts? Are they see-through? I don't think they are see-through. I actually love these. I just don't know what to do about this little bit. It just looks a little weird. Would you notice it? If I didn't point it out, would you really notice it? These are so cute. I love these jeans. Okay, so for the next hack, we're going to be using some highlighters. I, of course, went and got pastel highlighters because they're just cute. We need a little sandwich bag, a piece of paper, and then you do need a spray bottle of water. The only spray bottle we've got has anti-bac in it. So I've just taken the spray bit out and put it into a glass of water so that I can have some water spray. So basically, you scribble onto the sandwich bag and then you spray it with water, flip it onto the paper, and it makes this beautiful, almost watercolor background painting look which looks incredible, and I'm really excited to try. So I'm really excited for this to work. So we're gonna go for some blue, just here and here. This is my little design. Now we're gonna give it a little spritz with water. Oh gosh, oh wow, I've ruined it. Okay, here goes nothing. We're just gonna flip it onto the paper. Boom. Not quite what I was expecting. It looks a little bit of a mess. I'm gonna try it again. Less water, further away this time. Let's practice with this first. This spray bottle isn't very fine. Maybe if I just stand really far back, get a really good mist. Ooh. We've misted. Okay, and go. Okay, it looks better than before, but maybe it also just looks like I've scribbled onto a piece of paper. Right, I'm not good at this, it turns out. Sandwich bag is clean. Hey! Okay, this is our last chance. I feel like she's using some real special sort of paper. It looks like someone came in and spilt water on my work. You know when people comment like instructions not clear, hanging off ladder or something like that? This is one of those situations, only the instructions actually weren't clear because I feel like I need a certain type of paper and maybe a certain type of spray and maybe a certain type of pen, because this is not really cutting the mustard or whatever the saying is, because you just get scribbles and a very weak piece of wet paper, which isn't nice. Okay, so for this hack, we're going to be trying to make McDonald's hash browns. Now, I don't think this is the real McDonald's hash brown recipe, but it's been going around on TikTok, so we're gonna try it. Basically says to grab a potato, grate it up, squeeze the water out, whisk an egg, add 2 tablespoons of egg, shape the potato, and fry it. So that's what we're gonna do. Got my potato, got my peeler, and while we're here, we're gonna test another life hack, which is that peelers apparently work both ways. So I always thought peel like such, but apparently you can just do this, which makes sense because the blade is symmetrical, so it makes sense that you could go both ways, but I've never gone both ways, so we're just gonna... Oh, well, I mean, this is a game changer. But not really though, I feel like it's easier to just do this. I don't know how I feel about this. It's pretty darn good. That hack gets a thumbs up. You can indeed grate both ways while I grate my potato. And now we're gonna squidge the water out of it, apparently. And I'm very intrigued to see how much water comes out of this, because on the video, it looked like a lot of water came out of it. Jeez Louise. The potatoes carry a lot more water than I thought. Ew, there's so much water coming out of this potato. Wow, I seem to have made a mess. We're gonna improvise here. That is not as grated as theirs, it turns out. So I'm gonna chop it even smaller because theirs looks a lot more chopped. So now we're gonna need to drain it a little bit more because it's still really moist now, but I'm gonna use a tissue paper just because I feel like, look how much more water is coming out of that. I will add the 2 tablespoons of egg. 1, 2. Just gonna fold that in nicely. They are shaped, kind of. And now we fry and hope for the best, I guess. Why does theirs look so nicely together? Mine does not look like that. And then it just says fry. McDonald's hash brown going in. This could work. The only thing is they haven't told me how long to cook it for. And I know from experience, potato takes a little while to fry. But this is chopped up potato with egg in it. We're gonna go ahead and flip. It It looks a little like a hash brown. Google says it should take 4 to 5 minutes. We've got another 2 minutes and then a hash brown should be ready to eat. And I'm very excited. Very excited. It looks like a hash brown, and a good one at that. I'm a chef. Call me Chef Jasmine. Dinner is served. One delectable looking hash brown. Okay, moment of truth. It smells like hash brown. That's delicious. Who knew I could make a hash brown? I feel like McDonald's have done themselves a slight disservice because now I know I can do that myself. There's no real reason to get McDonald's breakfast because that's a tasty hash brown. Nicholas, yeah. Can I borrow you? This is what's gonna happen. Nick's gonna hold that and he's gonna put a Skittle on it and try and get it into my mouth at the bottom of the stairs. That's what we're planning for. I can get that in my mouth. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Oh God.
No, Nicholas. Why can't you do it? Ah.
Did it go in? Wait, I've got an idea.
How many are you doing?
5.
Oh.
Did it all go in? Okay, I'm gonna line like about 20 up.
Oh my goodness. Nick, I'm not ready. Nick!
They all go in.
No! I missed 4 of them.
What do you mean they bounced off your face?
I don't know what happened.
Is it bouncing off the end?
No. Okay, so for the next one, we're gonna do the little one where people put a coat round their bum and it looks like they're little, and I don't really know how you do it. So I'm just guessing that it goes round here, like this. This is Nick's coat, by the way. I feel like it just does this and then I hide from the camera like this. Does that look like anything?
Yeah, but
these go in the pockets, I think.
Oh, okay.
What does it look like?
Just looks like. Now crouch down a bit.
I am down.
Go.
Does it look right?
Looks...
Does it look good?
Yeah.
Do you know how much this aches?
Do it again.
What do you mean do it again?
One more time.
Why? It's so tiring. I don't see this working. Oh, you want me to get up?
I don't know. Just go as fast as you can.
Just run.
Yeah, as fast as you can.
It's really hard.
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah.
It's so hard.
Maybe.
It like aches the back of my thighs. I'm tired. I think we got it. That's really, really tiring. It feels really weird, but I think it works, so it gets a thumbs up. Okay, so the next TikTok I'm gonna try is one that says on it, impossible. And it's another one of those videos where you just think, I don't think it's impossible, but I really wanna get out of bed and try it. So I'm gonna do it for you guys. We're gonna try this, and in this TikTok, they basically link their hands together, bend over, separate them, and cannot get them back together, basically. So we're gonna try it. We're gonna bend over and lift our hands up, and then we're gonna separate them, and oh, I can just get them back, but I think I've just sprained my shoulders. Oh, I think I've just like torn a muscle in my shoulders. That really, really hurt. Ow! I'm gonna walk like a T-Rex from now on. Ah. Okay, it's possible, but it's painful. I should have warmed up before doing that, but no one told me to warm up. Okay, the next one I have already tried. I couldn't help myself, but I really wanted to share it with you. And that's that if you close both your eyes, you can see black. Like, you can see the light making shapes, you can see a little bit of movement, you can see blackness. But if you just close one eye, you can't see that blackness. You can't see the patterns or the light or anything. It's just non-existent. There's nothing to see. I can't see the black. And I just thought that was really interesting. The point of this TikTok was that he ends it by going, "Did you just wink at me?" Which is quite amusing. But the fact I can't see black is just so crazy to me. So I thought I'd share it with you. You can try it. You're welcome. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If you did enjoy, give it a big thumbs up. It makes me super duper happy. And then let me know in the comment section, who are your favorite people to follow on TikTok? I'm really interested. And yeah, I will see you guys very soon. Love you. Bye.